To first set up your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Plus, first of all, you will have to click and hold this power button to turn on your iPhone. When you do this, you will get this welcome screen and you will have to swipe up, and first you've got the language selection. So in my case, for sure, I'm gonna pick English, and here you can pick your region. So I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna set for United States. Here we can set the interface size, so we can get small, medium or large. In my case, I would like to get everything bigger, so I'm gonna stay with the large. But also in the right upper corner right here, you can find some accessibility options, like you got the voiceover, zoom, you can change display size and the text, you can even turn on and off the bold text. So there's like a lot of options that you can actually change right now to make your navigation much easier on your iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. So now you can do whatever you want, and you can click down in the right upper corner if you finish. So click continue. And now if you have old iPhone, like for example iPhone 12, any other iPhone, or for example an Android phone, you can right now transfer data. So it's actually looking for nearby devices. And all you have to do is just to bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. But in my case, I want to get completely fresh start. I don't want to send any data. But also, if you want to quickly start with your phone, you can transfer this data later, don't worry. So in my case, I'm gonna set up this later, and here we can set the written and spoken languages. So right here we've got, the keyboard. It's currently set for the English. If you want to change it, you can click here to customize it, so you can bring here other languages if you want, or if you don't want, that's your choice. I'm gonna actually set up this later in the settings. I'm fine with the single language. Right here, we are able to connect into the Wi-Fi network. So you can also connect to your Mac or PC, but in my case, I'm going for sure to connect into my Wi-Fi network. So I'm gonna click here. We have to just input this password, right? So, and then click join on the right bottom corner or right upper corner. Now just wait for this network connection. And as you can see right now, it's almost finished. Now it may take a few minutes to activate our iPhone, so we just have to be patient and wait a little bit. As you can see, it goes really quick. So we got the data and the privacy. We have to click continue. And now we can set up an iPhone. So we can set up this iPhone for ourselves or for our child in our family. So you can just do this right here, but in my case, I'm set it up for myself, so I'm gonna click here. And right now we are able to add the Face ID. So you can just click continue, then scan your face, basically put it in front of the selfie camera, move your head all around like on the instruction, but also you can set up this later. This is your choice. Now you can simply create an iPhone passcode, but by going here, you can even set for alphanumeric code, custom numeric code, 4-digit, or you can don't use passcode at all. Yes, you can actually do this, but it's actually highly recommended. So let's create. I'm gonna create this simple one, and I'm gonna use this anyway. And we have to repeat with the same one. There we go. And now it's finished. As you can see right now, we can transfer apps and data from iCloud backup, from another iPhone, from Mac or PC, from Android phone, or don't transfer anything, like in my case. Right here, you can simply sign in with your Apple account. When you click here to other sign-in options, you can use another device to sign in, or you can use the multiple accounts. So you can just sign in right here. In my case, for sure, I'm gonna input my data. By the way, if you don't have account, or for example, if you forgot your password, then you can click here, and now you can recover your password. You can create a free Apple account, or you can set up later in the settings. Yes, you can also do this. Now we've got terms and conditions, so you have to click agree on the right upper corner, and now you can turn on automatic iPhone updates. So for sure, why not? Let's click OK. Now we can turn on iMessage and the FaceTime, so click continue. Also, we can turn on location services. And now you can set up your cellular data. You can transfer from nearby iPhone. You can use QR code to scan. You can also enter details manually. the activation code, confirmation code, but also we can do this later by clicking right here. Then you can get your screen time weekly report if you want. So you can click continue if you want this. Then we can find some iPhone analytics, so you can share this data with Apple. If you don't want, click it on share. And here you can set the light mode, dark mode, or automatic mode. In my case, I would like to get the light one. So pick your, click OK. Here you can toggle silent mode and off on the silent mode. That's short information, but also we can do this right here by using this button. Here, there's this action button. So now you can click and customize it right now. And you can set here any function that you want. So we've got the focus mode, silent mode, camera, torch. Take a look, a lot of options that we can put here. Accessibility, some kind of the shortcut to quickly open application. But I would like to actually get this silent mode right here, like with the default switcher. Now we have to set the camera control button. Then we can turn on the city and pick the city
colors
voice.
Of the sky fade. The colors of the sky. The colors of the sky. The colors of the sky fade.
Click continue. Now we have to repeat these phrases. To start the Siri, we can say Siri or Hey Siri. Click continue. Now there's like improve Siri and dictation, so you can share your audio recordings, but if you don't want, click here. And now we've got an emergency SOS call with car crash detection, with satellite SOS. So click continue and then swipe up to finish. And as you can see right now, we are here. So first of all, you can definitely boost the brightness because it was too dark. And now you can use your iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. That will be all, and thanks for watching.